Hi, this is Priyanka at IBLIB, and in this video we will learn the rules for simplification. In our earlier videos we have discussed how to add, subtract, divide and multiply the numbers, and I hope you all know how to perform these operations. But so far you have been doing only one of these operations in a single expression, which means you were only performing addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. What if you were asked to do two or more operations in a single expression, like in this 5 into 10 plus 8 minus 2. In this expression, you have to perform multiplication, addition, subtraction, all of these. So, how will you do? Firstly, you will think, what should I perform first, whether addition, subtraction or multiplication? So, you decided to perform addition first, then subtraction and then multiplication. So, first of all, you will perform addition. So, 10 plus 8 will give you 18 and you will copy down the remaining part as it is. Now, you have decided to do subtraction. So, 18 minus 2 will give you 16 and you will copy down the remaining part. Now, 5 into 16 will give you 80. So, final answer for this is 80. Now, your friend says, no, I will perform addition first, then multiplication and then subtraction. So, firstly, he will perform addition. So, 10 plus 8 will give him 18 and he will copy down the remaining part as it is. Now, he will perform multiplication. So, 5 into 80 will give 90 and minus 2 will be copied down. Now, finally, he will perform subtraction. So, 90 minus 2 will give 88. Now, your another friend says that he will do different from what you both have done. So, he will perform multiplication first, then addition and then subtraction. So, 5 into 10 will give 50 and he will copy down the remaining part as it is. Now, he will perform addition. That is 50 plus 8 will give 58 and minus 2 will be copied down. Now 58 minus 2 is 56. So the answer he gets is 56. Did you notice the same expression is giving three different answers and all of you have performed the same calculation, means the right calculation. So how can the same expression gives different answer? It means the answer is coming different because of the order of performing these operations. This proves that there must be a right order of performing the mathematical operations so that we get a right answer. So, what is the order? The correct order is division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction, which means whenever you get an expression which contains all the four mathematical operations, you will first divide, then multiply, then add and then subtract. You can learn this order by saying dear, mother and sister. In dear, D stands for division, in mother, M stands for multiplication, in and, A stands for addition and in sister, S stands for subtraction. Say it twice or thrice, the order will be there on your fingertips. Now what if brackets are also included in an expression? Before we discuss how to solve brackets, let us discuss what brackets are. Brackets are used to group the numbers. They also help us to locate which part of the expression we will be solving first. Now there are different types of bracket. The first one is round bracket. The second one is curly brackets, also called braces. The third one is square brackets. And the next is line bracket. In a line bracket, a line is drawn above the group of numbers that are grouped together. Now, sometimes off is also used in an expression, which means multiplication. That is, whenever you see an expression containing off, you just have to replace it by multiplication. Now, what if all of these things are combined together? Means you are given an expression which contains brackets, off, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Then also you have to follow an order of solving all these things to get a right answer, and that order is represented by the word BODMAS, that is BODMAS, where B stands for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now let's do some questions so that we understand this in a better way. The first question is here. In this there are brackets, off, multiplication and division. So as per the rule of BODMAS, we will first solve the brackets. So 10 plus 4 will give us 40. Now in the next step, what we will do, we have to replace off by multiplication and copy down the remaining part as it is. Now as per the rule of BODMAS, we have to perform division. So 6 divided by 6 will give us 1. We'll write it and copy down the remaining part. Now lastly, we will perform multiplication. So 14 into 6 equals to 84. So final answer for this expression is 84. Let's do one more expression in which we are having different types of brackets. So here it is. In this expression, we are having round brackets as well as curly brackets. So as I have discussed that first we solve the round brackets. So coming to round brackets, inside the round brackets we are having addition, subtraction and division. According to BODMAS, we'll first solve the division part. So 6 divided by 3 will give us 2 and copy down the remaining part as it is. Now we will perform addition. So inside the round bracket, 6 plus 2 will give 8 and copy down the remaining part as it is. Now we'll perform the subtraction which is inside the round brackets. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Write it and copy down the remaining part as it is. Now we'll solve the curly brackets. In curly brackets we are left with 16 minus 6 and 16 minus 6 give us 10. We'll write it and copy down 12. Now finally we are left with 12 minus 10 and 12 minus 10 is 2. So our final answer for this expression is 2. Thus we understand that how important it is to follow the rule of BODMAS for solving these expressions. I hope you understand this concept. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.